Good morning. Good morning, class 9. Now, yesterday we already learned and see the equation of motion by analytical method, and today we all will start the graphical representation of the equation of motion. Now, come to the topic. Let's see what we have today. Graphical representation of equation of motion. We already known there are three type of equation of motion. So yesterday we are having a graphical representation by analytical method. Now today we are having the graphical representation from the graphical representation of equation of motion. This is nothing other than t for time, and this is velocity. Pause karo. Now come to the graphical representation. We already seen this is the point of O or 0 we can start, and now an object is moving from u velocity. Somewhere it is u and it is up to the v velocity. Now see, the object is moving. Okay, so object is moving in the velocity time graph. That is the displacement of the body that will make a that will go to somewhere else, like that. That means an object is moving like this at point B. That means there is a velocity, that is the object is moving from u to v velocity, that is the B point. And now we have to sketch the forwarding, so we can see the point D. What does it mean, this graphical representation? This shows that from this the time is going on, from that the velocity is going on, and from this slope this will go for the displacement. Fine. And we already have the E point. Now this point have the A. So from this we already have OA, point OA and DE. That means equal, or we can say OA ED, that is the u velocity, and OC, COC, C, I think this one, OC is equal to EB, this is V, and AD is equal to T, that means this place or this place we can say. Now from the equation 1 what we have, that means V is equal to AU plus AT. As we know, acceleration is what? How can we represent acceleration? That is velocity, is slope of velocity, that is the slope of velocity time graph through which we can represent it. That means acceleration is the dB by AD. Understood? dB by AD. That means tan theta. Tan means perpendicular by base. So we are having the same relation. We go forward. That means dB by OE is equal to, we can say that dB, that means EB minus DE, ED. So we are having EB minus BD, that we get dB. So we can easily get it, and the whole we can say V minus U by T. So we are having V minus U is equal to AT, that is the cross product. And what we rearrange, we